In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap two rows in Google Sheets. This is a quick, reliable way to reorder information without copying and pasting, and it helps keep your data intact. Start by opening your Google Sheets file so you can see the sheet where your data lives. On the far left edge of the sheet, you'll notice the row numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. To move a row, you'll first select it by clicking directly on its row number. When you click the number, the entire row should highlight, which means it's ready to be moved. Now, move your cursor back over that row number, click and hold, and drag it up or down. As you drag, look for a bold horizontal line that shows where the row will land. Position that line where you want the row to go, then release your mouse. The row will snap into place, and all of the data in that row travels with it. If you don't see the bold line, you might not be grabbing the number itself. Try clicking on the number again and dragging from there. Next, select the other row you want to swap by clicking its row number on the left. You should see that row highlight as well. Click, hold, and drag this second row to the spot where the first row originally was. Again, use the bold line as your guide and release when it's in the right place. By moving each row to the other's position, you've effectively swapped them. To wrap up, click the highlighted row header to confirm the selection and visually check that everything looks correct. Scan across the cells in both rows to make sure the right information moved and stayed aligned with your headers. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. If you drop a row in the wrong place, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo instantly. Dragging rows works best when you select the number on the far left, not a cell inside the row. If your sheet is large, zooming out slightly can make the target position easier to see. And if your rows have formulas, don't worry. Google Sheets adjusts references as you move rows, keeping your calculations intact. That's all it takes to swap two rows in Google Sheets. Google Sheets, select the first row and drag it, select the second row and drag it to the original spot, and double check the highlighted row to confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.